Right now, we are doing Chazara on Daf Chaf Aleph Amud Bet. Please look inside. You need to go over the video 3 times tonight for homework. Top of the page, we're going to just do one word from the previous page. Idmari learned, Yeosh Shalom Idah, giving up hope without knowing about it. Abaye Amar Abaye says, Lo Heve Yeosh, it's not considered giving up hope. But Rava Amar, Rava says, Heve Yeosh, it is considered giving up hope. But Davar Sheyesh Bo Siman, with something that has a sign on it. Kule Alma, everybody. Lo Plige, don't argue. Rava Abaye, they don't argue with each other here. The Lo Heve Yeosh, it's not giving up hope. Why? The Afal Gavin, even though Dishamine, when the owner will hear about it, the miyash, that he might give up hope on it, lisof in the end, lo heveyesh, it's not giving up hope. Dechi atalide, because when it came into his hands, the person that found it, be'isura hu, it was asur, it was not allowed to be kept. The atalide, when it entered into his hands, dechi yada dinafal mine, because when he'll know that it fell from him, lo miyash, he won't give up hope on it. Meimar amra, he'll say to himself, simana, a sign, Itali, I have bigave on it. Simana Itali bigave, I have a sign on it. Yahevna simana, I will give over the sign to the person that found it. Vishokel and I'll take it back. Bizot shalyam, but in the tides of the sea. Uvishlulut shalnar, and in a raging river. Afal gav, even though the itbe siman, the item has a sign on it. Rachman Asharya, the Torah says you're allowed to keep that item. Kidaba'inan, as we will learn, Lememar Lekaman, to say later on. The Gemara will explain it on a different page. Kiplige, when do they argue? Bedavar she'en bosiman, with something that doesn't have a sign on it. Line number 10. Abaye Yamar, Abaye says, Lo heveyesh, it's not considered giving up hope. The halayada, because the owner does not know din fal mineh, that it fell from him. If the owner doesn't know that it fell from him, how can he give up hope on it? Therefore, you're not allowed to keep it. Rava Amar, but Rava says, Heve Yeosh, it is considered giving up hope. Why? Because when he'll realize that it fell from him, Miyash, he will give up hope on it. Meaning later on. Meimar Amar, let say it to himself. Simana leitli begave, I don't have a sign on it. Mehashta, from now, Hud Miyash, he will give up hope on it. So this Gemara is 15 lines or 14 lines explaining to us the argument of Rava and Abaye. Rava says that you're allowed to keep the item because it's considered giving up hope on it. Abaye says you're not allowed to keep the item because it's not considered giving up hope on it. At the end of the day, we're trying to figure out, are we allowed to keep an item that doesn't have a siman? Let's use some examples. A marker without any siman on it, without any name on it, is considered an item in this case that we're arguing about. Or another example. A roll of tape that has no siman on it, right? That has no siman on it at all. This too is something that we're talking about in this Gemara. But on the other hand, if I come to you and I say, I lost my Gemara, and you find the Gemara on the floor, and the Gemara has the name in the front of it, let's say, it has a name in the front of it, then it has a name tag, for example, then everyone agrees, both Abaye and Rava say you are allowed to keep it. Please remember to review the Gemara twice and 3 times because there's a test tomorrow on Friday. Thank you and have a wonderful night.